Hello YouTube, welcome to an episode of Just Get It There. I'm in Newburgh, New York. Time is 2:48. I'm at a pilot in Newburgh, New York, right outside Stewart. I wanted to show you something. This place has been going non-stop ever since I got here. There's a spot open over there. One handicap spot, one spot open over here by me, one over there. That's what we're making in the other place. We got a few spots that are open, but to get to them is a nightmare. There's a bobtail over there. There's actually a bobtail parking. Not enough, but it's enough. But yeah. Every time I see a truck stop like this is a freshly remodeled pilot, and they shrunk the parking lot to create more parking. Behind there is all wood, so they could actually open it up. There are really a few parking spots. But I found this, something to see. I don't know whether it's legal or not, or it's even able to drive, but it's actually kind of cool. An old Freightliner converted into that. Pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to show off this parking lot over here and how crazy it is to get in and out of here. And I gotta leave here tomorrow to go to a live load. 12 miles on the 12 miles on the road at a recycling place. That ought to be fun. Reviews are bad, but the company don't listen when you tell them that. But what do you expect? It's 7 o'clock in the morning pickup and a 6 a.m. delivery the next day. 1 mile. Of course, you got people that can't park in a parking spot. I don't know how long they've been here. This is the first time I walked back here since I got here yesterday. But I just wanted to show you they could actually increase the parking. Make the parking lot a little bit more user-friendly. Back here it ain't too bad because if this guy's in the wrong spot, he's not even on a parking spot. Gotta love it. But yeah, nor here nor there when it comes to that. But don't put it in a parking spot. Trying to avoid places where so people don't see what I'm doing here. Because trying not to get people on video. But yeah. So if you want to be a truck driver, this is what you're in for. Places like this. And shippers and receivers, and can't clean the garbage up. So yeah. I think I'll walk up to the front of the building, let you see the front of the building. But this is the entrance and exit. Same way in, same way out. Make more parking, but let's not do that. Make it more accessible, easy in, easy out, but they don't understand that. Big corporations want their money. That's all they want. Let's not make it easy for drivers and that. In spots, don't get me wrong, this place can be easily maneuvered if you took the time out and set it up right. But then you got the cities, town, local government officials tell you how to do something. You got architects and designers designing shit that don't have a clue what the hell they're designing. They think, oh, I can design a building, but I can't. I can design this. Yeah, no, they can't. Because they're totally clueless and dumbasses. They don't have a clue. yeah, in and out, same area, which is fine. But a lot of spots in reserve, a few in non-reserve. Just saw reserve right here. A few spots. For everybody watching this, it is June 10th. Around 2 something in the afternoon. 2025. And of course, you got people parked illegally. There's the building, the back of it. Yes, there's truck parking across the street, but I'm not walking across the parking lot. That's all mud over there. But yeah. Just wanted to show off the parking lot here. It's starting to get full, slowly. In about an hour or two, this place will be filled. But yeah. Other side of the fuel island, back of the store, entrance to the fuel island. And you got idiots that don't know how to slow down in the parking lot. Let's keep these automated transmissions going, people. They're the perfect thing to have. Automated transmissions in a parking lot. People don't know how to drive as it is. Everybody's in a hurry to get nowhere. Everybody's got to rush in a parking lot where there's people walking. This guy ain't going too bad. He's doing decent, but he's still moving at a wrong clip. You got Ryder that doesn't understand the concept if you don't have the right of way. There's bobtail section over there. In the front of the store. Like I said, this is all remodeled recently. Oh, what it is. But that's all for now. We'll keep you updated, and if I actually make that pickup tomorrow, which I will. Delivery time, that's the questionable part, depending on how fast I get loaded tomorrow. May try to do a video tomorrow, depending on how everything goes. But until then, bye for now.